you're just going to click on your iPhone. And you're going to see that it says automatic backup. Right. You do not need to change this, but if you want to store your health data, then you will need to unlock your backup. But I'm not going to do that. So what you're going to do is click backup now, and on your iPhone in the corner you might see a round logo. Although you don't really need to have that. And now you just wait for this to finish. And also, you might want to click sync this iPhone over Wi-Fi. And look how much storage I currently have free. And look how much I have. I only have 1.4 gig free. And all of this other stuff is your apps. And all of this music. All the red bits are most likely songs. And then you're just going to wait for it to finish backing your iPhone, and I'm just going to skip, so I'll see you guys in a minute. So we're back, and now you're going to click restore backup, and it will ask you to turn off Find My your iPhone. So you will do that as following. You will go into settings. You will click your thing, your top bit which says your name. You'll click iCloud, scroll down, click Find My iPhone and turn it off. Now, right now it's asking for a password. It's asking for a password. Just enter that in and you won't be charged. You won't be charged by anything. It was just verifying, because if someone stole your phone, then they might want to use your phone. Now that Find My iPhone's turned off, at the following you can click Restore Backup, and it will show you the most recent backup. Now click the most recent backup, and then click this one. Click the top one, which says your name of the iPhone. Click Restore, and then type your password. And then it will restore it from the backup. Then your iPhone will go through a sequence. Your iPhone will go through a sequence where it will have all of your cache stored in the RAM. But then, what you're actually doing, wait 1 second. What you're actually doing is you're making your iPhone. It's going to make your iPhone go to its original state. And then adding all your apps and adding all of your app items. Then your iPhone will go through this sequence where it will restart, when it restarts, you'll want to keep it plugged into iTunes and don't touch anything. But remember folks, don't unplug your iPhone, otherwise it may cause permanent damage to your iPhone. So don't unplug it. And I will see you. Okay guys, so I'm back and I have found, you see it already been backed up today at 15:50 to this computer. As you can see, it is 15:52, so that was pretty recent. So then what you're going to do is click apply, then click sync. Then what's going to happen is just going to sync your iPhone with iTunes, and all the stuff you put on your iPhone all the stuff you've set to sync with iTunes and iPhone will be copied, and see it's preparing to copy items. Now I'll be back after this is done. Again.